In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to add someone when they block you on Roblox. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I'm going to attempt this on my Windows computer through the Roblox website, not using the Roblox player, but you might want to try this using your phone by going to the Roblox website and signing into your account or through the app. Usually, when someone blocks you, it is impossible to add them. When you go to their profile by looking them up at the search bar, going to people, and then clicking on their names, this is what's going to be displayed. The message button is going to be grayed out alongside the add friend button, and the only option here you have is to either block a user, go to their inventory, or see their favorites. You can still browse their profile and see everything they're wearing, their favorite items, and the badges they've earned. However, it's impossible to add them back. Is there a way to bypass this block and click the button that's grayed out? Sadly, as of today, Roblox does not allow you to add someone when they block you. It is currently impossible to do so, and the only methods you might want to try is to use a new account to try to talk to them and see why they block you. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that regardless of the platform you are playing on, it's impossible to bypass and add someone who blocked you on Roblox. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.